Okay guys, y'all been wondering about our tactical bolt knobs, and here to answer some questions for you. If you look to the far right, the extreme right, you will see what we call our micro tac. This is basically a direct replacement for the standard bolt knob on your rifle. It's not much bigger in size, although it is far more aggressive than a standard bolt knob is. This thing tips the scale at less than 235 grains with a length of less than 3/4 of an inch and a diameter of 0.62 inches. It is our newest knob that we have out. It's made from the same 316 stainless as our other bolt knobs to be nearly impervious to rust and corrosion. It can be made with various grip surfaces and was designed to be a direct replacement for your factory bolt knob, yet still give a superior grip and add that custom look. It is also perfect for the lightweight application. It has that timeless classic hollow design with a countersunk bottom, which gives it a substantial weight reduction. You can see this, or should be able to see it, on the video. Now as we go up, this is our mini tac line. They are smaller than our tactical line. They're smaller in diameter and they give an extremely good grip surface, and they can have multiple grip surfaces applied to them. Now we come to our standard tac, which starts here, comes across to this point here. These different style and shape of knobs gives you an idea of what we can do and what we can produce for you. Our knobs are custom, and we are only limited by imagination and to some degree tooling. Now, on this end, we have what we like to think of as the ultimate tac-knob, or mega tac-knob, which is more for a competition style shooter. And while this knob is 2 inches long, and you would think it's extremely heavy, this is also a hollow design and weighs just over an ounce in stainless steel. This knob was inspired by somebody on MSGO that y'all all know, Mr. Goodtime. It's hollow. It has 5 serrations, horizontal serrations for good gripping surface, as well as 3 countersunk, 2 countersunk, 3 countersunk, 2 countersunk. It is also a hollow base that weighs just over an ounce. But some of the designs that we have are just what's come up from members of MSGO, and kind of came out of our own warped and twisted minds, so to speak. This is a rather unusual pattern. This is an interrupted knurl. Very nice knob, very aggressive, very tough. Now what we're going to do at this point is we're going to cut off of here. We're going to go out, set up, because another question that you guys have asked is, how does stainless bling look on a black gun? Well, we're going to attempt to show you in the rest of this video. Okay gentlemen, here you go. You wondered what it'd look like on something other than a stainless gun? This is a Remington PSS that belongs to my wife. It's black stock, black barrel, black scope, stainless custom knob. She picked this one out of the group because it has a very aggressive surface. She liked the angles on it, and it is also a hollow knob, weighs very little. Actually weighs right around 3/4 of an ounce. It adds so much to the look of the rifle. You can see as the camera pans out to cover the whole rifle, you realize that stainless bling looks real good on a black gun. Now, to give you a little bit more of another view, we're going to put a Remington Sendero up here that has the gray spider web stock on it and a little more understated knob than the one on my wife's rifle. It's smaller, somewhere around 3/4 of an inch in length. Diameter is somewhere around 5/8. Very understated, nothing but a light knurling on it, just enough to grip good and smooth. This is my personal rifle, and this was what I decided to do with it. I like the way it looks. The thing about these knobs are, if you pick one and buy one and you want it coated, we can actually bead blast it to where Cerakote will grip it and give a matte finish, and there's more than a few people around that do Cerakoting. One of the ones that evidently does real good from what I've seen of his work is Alton Britt at Dixie Precision. So you've got a lot of options here, but if you like stainless bling on a black gun, it don't get no better than this. Alright guys, short video, so we're done.